here they are. This is all the little, the Shepherd Anatolian mom's pups. Look at the mug. Look at that mug. And I swear, look at these. Are these Pyrenees puppies? Look at them. Here's a little one with a heart. That looks like a little husky something. And this is the runt. Hey, this is the one that looks like mom. And this one, oh heck, I don't know. Hey guys. You're starting to wiggle. This is when they're precious. Okay, between Katie's Roadside Rescue and God's Dogs, we need to find home for these babies. This one with the heart on its head is spoken for. Hate to tell y'all, she is going to California. I think that's it. Hi, Mug Mug. Bonk. Alright, guys. Signing out. Oh, get puppy kisses for everybody.